Don't throw trash here. دلته کچرا مغورځوه. Don't throw trash here. Wash the dishes. لوښي وینځه. Wash the dishes. Don't break the glass. ګیلاس مه ماتوه. Don't break the glass. Fold the clothes. جامې ونغاړه. Fold the clothes. Don't throw clothes on bed. جامې کټ ته مه ورتاوهه. Don't throw clothes on bed. Sweep the floor. فرش جارو کړه. Sweep the floor. Don't spill water. اوبه مه تویوه. Don't spill water. Make the bed. کټ سم کړه. Make the bed. Don't jump on the bed. په کټ کې ټوپونه مه وهه. Don't jump on the bed. Water the plants. بوټي اوبه کړه. Water the plants. Don't break the pots. لوښي مه ماتوه. Don't break the pots. Cook the food. خوراک پوخ کړه. Cook the food. Don't burn it. دا مه سوځه. Don't burn it. Set the chairs. کرسۍ سمې کړه. Set the chairs. Don't drag the chairs. کرسۍ مه راکاږه. Don't drag the chairs. Open the window. کړکۍ کولاو کړه. Open the window. Don't shout inside. دننه چغې مه وهه. Don't shout inside. یا تاسو ویلی شئ Don't shout inside. دننه چغې مه وکاږه. Call your brother. خپل ورور راوغواړه. Call your brother. یا تاسو ویلی شئ Call your brother. ورور دی راوغواړه. Don't fight with him. د هغه سره جګړه مه کوه. Don't fight with him. Respect your parents. د خپل مور پلار عزت کوه. Respect your parents. Turn on the computer. کمپیوټر چالو کړه. Turn on the computer. Don't shut it down now. وز دا مه بندوه. Don't shut it down now. Open the file. فایل کولاو کړه. Open the file. Don't delete the file. فایل مه ختموه. Don't delete the file. Print the document. کاغذ چاپ کړه. Print the document. Don't waste the paper. کاغذ مه ضایع کوه. Don't waste the paper. Sign here. دلته دستخط وکړه. Sign here. Don't forget your signature. خپل دستخط مه هیروه. Don't forget your signature. Answer the call. فون اوچت کړه. Answer the call. Don't cut the call. فون مه کټ کوه. Don't cut the call. Attend the meeting. په غونډه کې شرکت وکړه. attend the meeting. don't be late. ناوخته کومه. don't be late. send the email. ایمیل ولیږه. send the email. don't send it twice. دا دوه ځله مه لیږه. don't send it twice. check the inbox. inbox وګوره. check the inbox. don't ignore the message. پیغام د پامه مه غورځوه. don't ignore the message. یا تاسو ویلی شئ don't ignore the message. پیغام نظر انداز کومه. staple the papers. کاغذات سټیپل کړه. staple the papers. د دې سينورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل پی ایرون سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو په دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.